Hi everybody, I hope y'all are having a great day today. I'm going to be sharing with y'all how to make blueberry muffins, so let's get to it. Bring 2 cups of frozen blueberries and 2 teaspoons of sugar to a simmer in a small saucepan over medium heat. Cook the berries and mash them with a potato masher until the berries have broken down and the mixture is thickened and has been reduced to 1/4 of a cup, about 6 minutes.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun.
In a large bowl, whisk together 5 cups of flour, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt.
Ask what have we done?
In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 eggs and 2 1/4 cups of sugar.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask what.
Now whisk in 1/2 cup of melted butter and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Now whisk in 2 cups of buttermilk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add 2 cups of frozen blueberries to your flour mixture. Now mix in your wet ingredients. Make sure to not overmix it.
To be free, be away, big breath, fish.
Thoroughly grease your pans.
Once you become,
Now add your batter, filling it to the top.
press my face to the back.
Now put 1 spoonful each of your blueberry jam.
And hold up the sun.
Now swirl the jam into the muffin using a skewer or chopstick. Now bake them in the oven at 425 degrees for 17 to 19 minutes. While your muffins are cooking, mix together 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 zest lemon. In the middle of your baking, sprinkle your lemon sugar mixture over your muffins. Let them cool for 5 minutes in the pan before moving them to a wired rack.